Thank you for purchasing one of our external filters. We offer a hard water filter, a fluoride filter, and a sulfur and heavy metals filter. Today we will be talking about how to install your external filter and how to use the product. We will also go over some common questions. Now let's go through how to attach your external filter to your source water line. Step 1. At both ends of the external filter are some plugs. These need to be removed, and to do this, push down and hold the locking ring that secures the plug while pulling the plug out. Repeat this on the second plug. Turn your source water off, and then cut the source water line between the dust pre-filter and the machine. Make sure your cuts are clean and straight to ensure a tight fit and to guard against leaks. Important! Before attaching the filter, note the directional arrow next to the word flow. This shows which way the water should flow through your filter. With the flow arrow pointing toward the machine, push the source water line into each end of the external filter. Turn your source water back on. Observe the filter and source water line for any leaks. If there are any, turn your water off and make sure the source water line is fully inserted into each end of the filter. Turn the source water back on. Now let's go through some common questions that we get. Question 1. Will using the external filter reduce water flow? The answer is no. Question 2. When do I replace my external filter? We recommend that the filter be replaced every 6 months or 500 gallons, which is 1,893 liters, depending on the water quality, the amount of TDS or total dissolved solids, and flow rate. A simple way to do this is to replace your external filter at the same time as the Echo remineralization and replacement internal filters. Thank you for watching. We hope that this cleared up any questions you had about how to attach and use your external filter and when to replace it.